All right, so it is day 5 of our Carcraft Week to Wicked presented by Speedway Motors. We are almost there. We want to fire the engine up, of course. We got some Thermo-tec to throw down and subframe connectors, a little bit of wiring. Most important, we got to be done about 1 o'clock. Jeff Stiles will be in here to do the lettering. And after that, we're going to make a whole bunch of noise around town.
Just putting the rest of the steering column together. Turn signal lever, tilt lever, hazard button. Then we'll zip that steering wheel down for the last time, and the column should be done.
Okay, so I'm running my battery cable from the trunk up to the front, so that's what I'm doing now. And just making my cuts and routing everything. There we go.
We're getting ready to put some heat insulation down here, the Cool It from Thermo-tec. We're just going to use a little bit of this adhesive spray to help hold it down on the floor. One of these rollers works really nice. You can get in there and get all the air bubbles out.
Is that all of it right there?
Yep.
Okay.
You gonna put a couple clamps in here?
Yeah, some Adele clamps. I'm gonna throw in our old gauges to fill up some space here. Now let's see if this is in my way. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be.
I have faith. I also have a hammer.
I'm cool with that. Made it happen, baby.
Got our Stewart Warner Green Line tack that we've installed in our Speedway Motors Universal Tack Cup. This is a 3 3/8 tack. We're clamping it to the steering column, kind of like they did in the 60s. It's a quick and easy add-on. This tack has studs on the back of it. I've trimmed those back a small amount so that it can sit in this cup all the way, just like this.
All right, so anytime you go to a track of any kind, they're gonna mandate you have some sort of recovery system. So I did the overflow tank here, which ties into the radiator. But just in general use, driving around the streets, you should probably have one on your car. That way, if it does puke out, tank will fill it up. As the tank cools down, it should suck it back in.
So we're just laying down the back carpet and the front carpet. So we're gonna mark our holes. I'm gonna get under, mark them, and then we'll punch them through, set the carpet in for good, and then throw our seats in.
So what we're doing now, I just adjusted the cable to the proper length, which is attached to the pedal inside the car. Once I lock this down, which is pretty simple, you can fine tune it by screwing or unscrewing the linkage. So it's a little tight, so we'll just take a little bit out of it. Okay, right about there. Boom, lock that down.
We put our Speedway adjustable seat sliders on the bottom so that we don't just have a fixed seating location. We can adjust it for everybody from me to Zach, even maybe Christian.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tighten those shifter bolts, and then the top side of this is done for all intents.
Sweet. That shifter looked good in there. Right there.
Oh yeah, there's definitely electricity going through there.
Why though?
Fair amount, probably.
Maybe is there something like here
Something will you.
that's gotten pinched off?
That's gonna, dude, that's dangerous.
Let me unplug this and see what happens. Ah! Okay, now try it.
Yeah, still did it.
What?
Is it just like a nice little jolt?
It's pretty good
It's
jolt.
pretty
actually.
good jolt, dude. I'm gonna check the back.
Okay, now try it. Hey,
Joe's still
Joe,
standing.
touch the lift and touch the oil, the trans pan at the same time.
No, serious.
Go.
Ah, yeah, it's doing it.
That's because I have it hooked. Now do it.
Yeah, that's
There's
why.
the well. Somehow the well
So
is
it was-
putting a little bit of current in
Well,
there.
it was- well, that means the chassis is grounded pretty good. I mean, it's getting.
Yeah, if it's going through the tranny pan gasket and
Yeah.
just the bolts
That's
to
funny.
get to the.
Because, dude, I touched it and I was like,
Want me to tack that, Joe, while you hold it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm Jeff Stiles. Speedway sent me in to do this project with the Nova. They sent me a rendering, gave me all the artwork, so basically all we're gonna do today is stencil this on here because of time and to get these guys back working on it. We'll lay this out just the way the rendering was, airbrush it, peel it, get out of the way, and I'm out of here.
We're putting in 103 octane, just because we are running 11:1 compression. So we've got to put some good stuff in there. So what I've done is I've adjusted to the 6 PSI, and we'll play with it from there. All right, we're good. Everything's locked down. No leaks back in the trunk area.
oh, light works. Tack and oil, Ron.
We got oil.
There you go. Tack work.
Yeah.
Lit up.
Yeah.
When you go like this, tack and oil work, you go,
Yeah.
yeah, go ahead, fire it up. Give it a little rev.
That's all you get.
All right. I rattled my ears.
Is it tack?
What?
This is now
I was looking
officially
at
the
oil
quickest.
pressure, I wasn't looking at the time.
This is officially the quickest fired up.
Oh, really?
The last one was maybe a second behind.
That's what I like to hear. All right. Thanks, man. You did all the hard work.
All right, so we're just about finished up with the car. Jeff's over there lettering it, but the guy's got to catch a plane. And I got to say, thanks for coming out. It's been a blast. I had a lot of fun, and this is probably one of my favorite Week to Wicked builds for sure.
Yeah, same here. Thanks for having us.
We had a ton of fun.
Awesome.
Hope you find all the tools.
And I hope we do another one really soon.
Likewise.
So I guess there was some controversy earlier in the week about if this was a gasser or not. Who cares? I don't. What I do care about is we took a group of guys who I can call my friends, and in about 5 days we built ourselves a pretty badass car. In my opinion, as far as the MotorTrend staff goes, we build some of the baddest, cleanest, most complete cars right here in this shop. That being said, I can't wait to get this thing out to the track, get some tuning done on it, and get it down the strip.